Good morning. PEMS Listen to VOA, English-Japanese listening material site, Washington. North Korea's underwater-launched missile has a longer range than the missiles the country tested earlier this year in IISS. Designed to be launched from a submarine that has a potential to pose a threat to the U.S. allies in Northeast Asia, experts said. The missile tested has a maximum range of more than twice that of the shorter-range systems North Korea has been testing this summer, said Michael Elleman, director of Non-Proliferation and Nuclear Policy program at the International Institute for Strategic Studies IISS. It does not pose a threat to the continental U.S., but once fully developed, it will threaten the U.S. allies and interests in Northeast Asia. North Korea conducted an underwater launch of a new ballistic missile on Wednesday that flew about 450 kilometers off the country's eastern coastal town of Wonsan before landing in the waters off Japan. It reached a peak altitude of 950 kilometers, South Korean's Joint Chief of Staff said. It's indeed the longest-ranged solid-fueled missile North Korea has tested to date, said Ian Williams, Deputy Director of the Missile Defense Project at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, CSIS. North Korea has not tested this kind of missile since 2016, reaching South Korea. Japan, the missile tested Wednesday, is considered to have a maximum range of about 1,900 kilometers at a standard trajectory. The range makes it possible to target all of South Korea and Japan's 4 main islands. The missile is considered the PUKGU-KSOMG-3. And the last time North Korea tested a Pukgakseong-class missile was in August 2016. North Korea tested solid-fueled missiles this summer in an apparent attempt to fine-tune the technology. Missiles using solid fuel are harder to detect because the fuel can be loaded long before any launches and then be moved. The mobile characteristic of the solid-fueled missiles makes it possible to upload the missiles on a submarine or an underwater barge before being launched. This is considered an improvement over liquid fuel missiles, which have to be loaded immediately before missiles fired. That's all. Thank you for your listening. Listen to VOA.